Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the battery life of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. We know many of you have been eagerly waiting for this one, especially after the impressive performance of the Flip 5. So how does the Flip 6 stack up? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk about the official numbers from Samsung. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 boasts a nearly 10% boost in battery capacity compared to its predecessor. Coupled with a more efficient processor, it promises longer battery life. According to Samsung, 23 hours of video playback on the Flip 6 versus 20 hours on the Flip 5, 68 hours of audio playback versus 57 hours on the Flip 5. These numbers indicate a noticeable improvement, but can these claims be verified through independent testing? Let's dive into the results from Phone Arena. Phone Arena conducts 3 in-house battery tests on each phone: web browsing, video streaming, and 3D gaming. The results for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 are in, and here's how it performed. In web browsing test, the Flip 6 showed significant gains over its predecessors. It lasted an impressive 16 hours and 10 minutes. To give you some perspective, the Flip 5 managed 12 hours and 21 minutes, while the Flip 4 clocked in at 11 hours and 40 minutes. The Flip 6 not only surpassed its predecessors, but also exceeded the average standard for this test. Moving on to YouTube video streaming test, the Flip 6 once again outperformed the Flip 5 and Flip 4. The Flip 6 lasted 9 hours and 8 minutes, while the Flip 5 managed 7 hours and 13 minutes, and the Flip 4 came in at 7 hours and 20 minutes. That's a solid 2-hour improvement with the Flip 6. Now, let's talk about gaming. In 3D gaming test, the Flip 6 showed an impressive performance lasting 10 hours and 20 minutes. In comparison, the Flip 5 lasted only 5 hours and 6 minutes, and the Flip 4 managed 5 hours and 8 minutes. This significant improvement is likely due to the new vapor chamber cooling system in the Flip 6, which helps maintain optimal internal temperatures and prevent quick battery drain. As you can see, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 has made some significant strides in battery life compared to the Flip 5 and Flip 4. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or gaming, the Flip 6 offers longer-lasting performance. If you're considering an upgrade or looking for a new foldable phone with better battery performance, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a solid choice. The nearly 10% increase in battery capacity, along with a more efficient processor, really pays off. But that's not all. Stay tuned for our full in-depth review of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 coming early next week. We'll be diving deeper into all the new features and improvements this phone has to offer. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Z Flip 6's battery life? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. As always, see you in the next video. We've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.